test to controlling the valve, proportional valve with Arduino Nano. There used to be a lot of flickering, or when the valve was opening and closing a little bit continuously because of bad signal from the Arduino Nano. So I added a filter, this filter here, and after I put this in place, is here the flickering stopped. So let's see, value 2 of 255. You see the voltage changing on the 225, that's about 10%. 255, full open. This should give about 5 volts for full open, but this is close enough, I think. 80 is about full close. I'm losing a little bit of precision or a range because I'm using the filter, but things are much easier like this. 50.